Thursday, 16th of March. So let's take a look at Euro, Dollar, Dow Jones, Bitcoin, gold. Let's start with gold as usual. So this is gold astro hours yesterday. These were the astro hours, and from the lows here, as you can see, just kept going up. And that was a target there yesterday. So that hit the target there. We can now get rid of this. Let's see what we're expecting today. Now, I did say Monday was a swing day. That's Tuesday. For gold, you guys got the swing days in the members area anyway. So look out for the next swing day, okay? It's a bit in the middle of nowhere. We could go up still into this zone, all right? So, you know, it could go up or down. Be mindful. So what to do with this? Well, on the daily, we're at the resistance level there. 1924, which is this zone here, which the market already did. Okay, just there. So the market already did that. Astro hour, that's boom down. Okay, so if the market starts to turn around from here, it will flow down. The reason I say so is the next hour is going to be down here, and that can take us all the way down to the low of yesterday. So I am in favor of selling. This is also an astro hour, and the market should push down, especially in the evening as well. So we should get to this zone here. Okay, it's already done this zone. As you can see, this is the breakout. It's already done this zone, as you can see. Okay, so that is, you know, that's today. So but going down looks like an option. It'll probably break this down and go down. Okay, so be mindful there are gaps to fill here. So this is also a place where you need to look out for, because this is the zone here. I don't want to make it too big and say that's the whole range. I'll just put it here, but you just be mindful there's a, you know, zone here as well. Okay, and that's basically it on this one. If it breaks above there, don't stand in front of it. Just take a step back, leave it alone. Euro dollar, here we are. Now with euro dollar, as you know, the swing day for that was Wednesday, and that's your Wednesday. And then we had Thursdays as well. That's your Thursday too. All right. So a big flop yesterday. Now these are the astro hours. Wednesday, beautiful down. So I want to keep following this down. Okay. This has got too many touches on it now, so it'll be a bit weak. Okay, and this is the first sell zone. Your first support is going to be 41 and 38 on the astro, which is 1.0547, 1.0510, 1.0547, 1.0547. So that's that. 1.0510. So we've got a bit of room to come down. That's not a bad sell level. That's an astro hour. You could do it with a tight stop loss to fall into there. When it does, you got to be a bit careful because it's done all the levels yesterday. Okay, so if you want to keep selling, that's an option. If you want to buy, this zone is also a buy zone. All right, so if it comes down here, but just be careful, guys, because today, like this, it's going to be a flow day. So if it starts pushing down, we could go down. All right, so all of a sudden you can find yourselves all the way back down here at 27. You know, we could be heading down. Why? Because like this zone, they've done this, they've touched it, look, once, twice, 3, 4 bars here, that, okay, and a big fall here. So it might just stick around here and then just boom, fall down again. All right, so be mindful that we could be falling down further, and it's, you know, it could flow down. US 30. Look at that. This is also yesterday. Look, all the way from there. Remember, that was a goodbye kiss for us. Came all the way in. Okay. And let's do that. So the market just basically just collapsed until the Astro hours. Now from the Astro hours yesterday, you see these are the Astro hours here. So these were the Astro hours. So the market made the low again at that Astro hour just slightly after that. So once it fell, and the Astro hour was from, I think it was this, I think it's this one here. Yeah, that's one, 11:45, and there was this one as well, 5 o'clock in the morning. All right, which is there. So from 10 past 5 actually, from 10 past 5, this is a 15-minute chart, to 6:45 was a reversal zone as well. So as you can see, the market just nicely collapsed from there into the Astro hours and just moved up. So today we've got a lot of hours very, very close to each other. So it's going to be tricky. So be mindful where to go with the US 30. As you can see, they've like kind of pushed down quite a bit here. So the market can go down. What you can do here is this. Draw this. That's one line there. This is another line there, okay? So the market maybe, may come up a little bit, push up here and then sell off again. So that's also an option there. All right. This is the resistance, 33.50, just 31.969. 31.969 is pretty much there. Okay, so we're right on the edge there, as you can see. If it breaks out, then you'll probably flow upwards into these levels there, and that daily level there, as you can see, is 32.350, 560. What we've got here is 46, 32.550, and 32.550 is there. Okay, so it's gonna have a big push there. All right. So that's how it is. So it's a bit tricky. Okay, it really is a bit tricky. If it sticks around here, let's say it's the Astro hours and it's around here on the daily, I'm not sure what to make of it. Okay, because this could go both ways. But what I do know is it's going to be like, because there's so many hours, there's going to be some kind of a push up or a push down. So once it starts, it should flow. Okay, it should flow pretty much like until the end of the day. It's like going to be hectic. Okay, so we should have like at the end of the day, we should be somewhere like after a good flow. It should be a good trading day, basically, is what I'm saying. Okay, so once the move starts, you need to get in that direction at Astro hours. On every pullback, just get back in. If it pulls down, if it pulls back up, just get in, and just follow it through.